We're coming.
Okay, you gonna sit in his lap?
Are you through? Huh? Did you do good?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
You ready to go sit in Santa's lap today?
Yep.
Yep.
You get to tell him what you want for Christmas.
You can do it. Come here. I'll stay right here by you.
Want Mama to sit
You want
with
to
you?
sit or you want to just stand right here?
You like this?
You want to just stand right there? That's good.
What are you doing over there? Connor. Connor. Don't you
Say
smile.
Merry Christmas.
Good job. Good job. You gotta go tell him what you want. Remember? What are you gonna tell him?
I knew my truck.
A new monster truck.
I didn't open for that. I didn't open.
Try that. Open that. That's to you. That's yours. There you go. You got a hole in it now. Now work it open. There you go. Oh. 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 What is it, huh?
I knew my truck.
You a new monster truck?
Yeah.
What do you tell Santa?
Yeah. How about that?
Wow, what do you tell Santa? Okay, we'll go tell Santa Claus thank you. Hold on. You have to go tell Santa thank you.
Then that's it.
You're welcome.
Job.
Have a Merry Christmas, okay?
Say Merry Christmas.
Christmas.
Hey, look at Santa. Say Merry Christmas.
No, it's